In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process to creating your Shopify account completely for free. So as you can see, you can get 3 days for free, then 1 month for only €1, $1, £1, whatever currency you are using, or the equivalent of about €1. So it's super cheap to get started, and you can get your first month and 3 days for only $1. And when you're starting, you will again get the 3-day free trial, and for this trial, you don't even need to enter any payment details such as a credit card. Now I'll leave my link to Shopify down in the description. This is my affiliate link, so I would really appreciate it if you do sign up through that link. It's of no additional cost to you and it will save you some time. So just click on the link down in the description and that will take you to this page. Now from here, go and click Start Free Trial. Now here you simply want to answer a couple of questions. So first, I'm just starting or I'm already selling online or in person. Then where would you like to sell? So you can sell online, in person, via an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplace, or you're not sure. Now I'm going to create a fully customizable website, so I'll click on that. Now what do you plan to sell first? So you can sell products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, print-on-demand products, or I will decide later. For example, I'll select dropshipping products and click next. Now where will your business be located? So for me, it's the Netherlands, so then click next again. And now here to finalize your Shopify account creation, sign up with email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. Then once you have done that, you can review your security settings, so you can turn on two-step authentication and recovery options, or you can click remind me next time. So then it's actually already building your store based on the questions that you filled in earlier. So now as you can see, we have created our Shopify account. So now you can simply start using Shopify. You can pick one of their free themes. You can use any of their apps. And basically you can just get started completely for free. And as you can see, now we have our website. Now in products, you can add in your products. Now I'm not going to give you a full tutorial because this video is about how to create your Shopify account. And we have now done that. So again, I'll leave my link to Shopify down in the description. So click on that link and then click on Start Free Trial and follow the steps that I showed you in this video. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.